Alright, let's take a 3-minute journey through the wisdom of a true legend, Bob Marley. His music changed the world, but his words? They still light up hearts everywhere. So here are 10 Bob Marley quotes that'll inspire you to live, love, and rise above. Quote number 1, love the life you live the life you love. That's not just a catchy lyric, it's a mindset. If you wake up dreading your day, it's time to flip the script. Number 2, don't gain the world and lose your soul. Wisdom is better than silver or gold. In a world chasing money, Marley reminds us that what's inside counts the most. Your values, that's your true wealth. 3, one good thing about music, when it hits you, you feel no pain. Bob wasn't just talking about reggae. He meant that art, love, and meaning heal, even in our darkest moments. Number 4, the truth is, everyone is gonna hurt you. You just gotta find the ones worth suffering for. Real talk, no relationship is perfect, but some are worth every single struggle. 5, emancipate yourselves from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Boom, the only chains we can't break are the ones we put on ourselves. Free your thoughts, and you free your life. 6, in this bright future, you can't forget your past. Growth isn't about erasing where you came from, it's about learning from it and letting it shape a stronger you. Number 7, open your eyes, look within. Are you satisfied with the life you're living? That one hits hard, right? It's a call to self-reflection. If not, what's stopping you from changing it? 8, the greatness of a man is not in how much wealth he acquires, but in his integrity and his ability to affect those around him positively. Your real legacy? It's how you lift others up. That's what people remember. 9, live for yourself and you will live in vain. Live for others and you will live again. Marley reminds us that meaning comes from giving, making someone else's day brighter. And finally, number 10, get up stand up for your rights. This one is simple. Don't let fear silence you. Speak up for yourself and for others who can't. So, which quote hits you the hardest? Let me know in the comments. And remember, in the words of Bob Marley, every little thing is gonna be alright. Thanks for taking this journey with me. Hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more life-changing ideas. Stay inspired, stay true.